Hello everyone, my name is Ralph Florence Caballero. For today's video, I'll be explaining the concept of packet switching, a fundamental technology that makes the internet work before. So our title is Packet Switching, the foundation of the internet subtitle. What is packet switching? It's a method of data transmission, breaks messages like emails, videos, into small pieces called packets. Each packet has a destination address and a sequence number. Note, instead of sending a whole message at once, packet switching divides into smaller manageable chunks called packets. Think of it like sending a book one page at a time. Each page is a packet with a destination address and a page number. How it works image. A diagram showing packets taking different routes through a network of routers. Text. Number 1. Breaking down. The original message is divided into numbered packets. Number 2. Routing. Packets are sent out independently. They can take different paths. Number 3. Reassembly. All packets arrive at the destination and are reassembled in the correct order. Packet switching versus circuit switching image. A simple split graphic showing a dedicated circuit on one side and shared multi-path network on the other. Text. Packet switching, no dedicated path. Shared network resources, efficient and flexible. Circuit and switching. A dedicated path is created and reserved for the entire communication, less efficient, and example, a traditional line phone call. Notes. To understand why packet switching is so good, let's compare it to the older method, the circuit switching. Circuit switching is like direct line, a private highway just for your data. This is how old phone systems work. The line is reserved for the entire call, even when you're not talking. Packet switching, on the other hand, is like a public highway system. It's shared. Key advantages image. A simple icon representing benefits like a thumbs up, a light bulb. So text. Efficiency. Maximize network uses by sharing resources. Flexibility can handle different types of data like text, audio, video. Robustness. If one path fails, packets can be rerouted through another. Notes. The key benefits of packet switching are its efficiency and robustness. Because the network is shared, it's incredibly efficient. This is why it's so cheap to send data today. And if one part of the network goes down, the packets can simply be rerouted, making the network very reliable. In conclusion, packet switching is the core technology behind the internet. Also, it breaks data into packets and sends them independently. And this makes data transmission efficient, flexible, and robust. Notes. In short, packet switching is the reason our digital lives are so interconnected. It's the technology that allows millions of people to share information across the globe, all at the same time. Thank you.